Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all some deals that you can do any day of the week at Dollar General with our 3 off 15 DG store coupon. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Now, just in case y'all missed it, I did upload a video earlier today walking you through step by step on how to load these 3 off 15 DG store coupons to your accounts. So if you missed that video, I'm going to leave it linked in the pinned comment down below, so definitely go and check it out. Now, before we get into the deals, just a quick reminder, keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very, very important when you are in the store to scan each item in your app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also, you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store, and especially right now, y'all know that the prices are changing daily. So please make sure that you scan to price check. Now, I also wanted to mention really quickly that with these 3 off 15 scenarios, they are just like our 5 off $25 scenarios where we build our subtotal up to $15, and then we are going to start subtracting those coupons to get a really low out-of-pocket deal. Alright guys, so for this first scenario, we have a little personal care deal here. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Maybelline Great Lash Mascaras at $5.50, one of the Wet Wipes Travel Size 20 Count at $1.35, one of the Playtex Sport Tampons at $3.95, two of the Suave 2 Count Bar Soaps at $2, they are $1 each, one of the Suave 1.4 ounce Women's Deodorants at $1.25, and three of the American Greeting Cards at $1.50, those are 50 cents each. That's going to put your subtotal at $15.55. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 3 off 15 DG store coupon, the 2 off 1 Maybelline DG store coupon, the 2 off 1 Maybelline Eye manufacturer coupon, the 50 cent off 1 Wet Wipes, the 2 off 1 Playtex, the 50 cent off when you spend $2 on Suave Bar Soap, the 50 cent off 1 Suave Deodorant, the 1 off 3 American Greeting Cards, and that is going to bring your subtotal to $4.05 for all 9 items, making each one just 45 cents each. Now, I think that is fantastic for an any day deal. Alright guys, next up I put together a little household deal for you all. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Arm & Hammer laundry packs at $3.35, one of the Snuggle fabric softener products. You can choose from the liquid, the sheets, or the scent boosters at $4.50, one of the Suavitel 36 count sheets at $1.90, one of the Clorox 3 count dishwasher tablets at $1 found in the dollar aisle, one of the True Living 12 count family pack bath tissues at $4.75, and two of the Crest or Oral-B products at $2. Those are $1 each. Remember, you can pick up the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes or the Crest with Scope toothpaste found in the dollar aisle. That's going to put your subtotal at $15.90. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 3 off 15 DG store coupon, the 150 off 1 Arm & Hammer, the 1 off 1 Snuggle product, the 50 cent off 1 Suavitel, 50 cents off 1 Clorox, the 50 cent off 1 True Living bath tissue, and the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B products. Your subtotal after coupons will be $5.90 for all 7 items, making each one just 84 cents each. But this deal gets even better because right now on Ibotta, we have a $1 rebate back on the Snuggle scent boosters. So if you pick up the scent boosters, you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $1 back. That's going to make your final price $4.90 for all 7 items, making each one just 70 cents each. Now, if you would rather pick up these Snuggle dryer sheets, we also have a rebate for those as well on Ibotta. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get back 75 cents. That's going to make your final price $5.15 for 7 items, making each one just 73 cents each. Or you could also choose from the Snuggle Liquid Fabric Softener because we also have a 75-cent rebate back for those on Ibotta. So submit your receipt to Ibotta, get back 75 cents. And again, that's going to make your final price $5.15 for 7 items, making each one just 73 cents each. Now, if you're not already signed up for Ibotta, this is one of the rebate apps that I highly recommend because I have been using them for years now and I have literally saved thousands of dollars. So you definitely need to go and sign up so that you don't miss out on these awesome savings. And if you're not already signed up, my referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And if you're curious about how to sign up and use Ibotta, I also have a video linked in the description box down below for you all. Alright guys, so moving on into our third and final 3 off 15 deal that you can do at DG this week. So this is a glitch deal, and for this one you want to pick up the Crush 12 packs. They are priced at $5.95 each. If you pick up 3, that's going to put you at $17.85. But this week at DG, they are on sale 3 for $12. And with that 3 off 15 DG store coupon, it is picking up the original price at $17.85. It's taking off the sale price. Plus, we have a 2 off 3 digital coupon. So after all of those discounts are applied, that's going to leave you paying $7 for all 3, making those $2.33 each. Now, we also have some other 12 packs that are included in this glitch. Now, I don't know how to say the first one. It starts with an S, but it is ginger ale. Y'all can see it on the screen there. Plus, we have the brisk teas and the mug root beer plus the crush. And all of those are 12 packs. Keep in mind, you can mix and match. Now, on one of my previous videos, I did receive a comment from a Craz-E couponer that said that they did not receive the 2 off 3 digital coupon for the 12 packs. So, just as a quick reminder, I always recommend that you guys sign in on the website. Whether it's on Sunday or Monday or Tuesday, I always recommend that you guys sign in on the website to clip your new digital coupons to your account, because all of the new coupons will show up all at once. And if you use the DG app, you kind of have to keep refreshing the page, and it is possible that you can miss clipping coupons that are available. And eventually, those available coupons to clip, they disappear. They go away. There's only so much available out there to clip. So if you don't clip them while they're available, they could disappear and be unavailable to clip from there on out. Alright guys, so there you have it. There are 3 awesome deals that you guys can do any day of the week this week at DG. And don't forget that I did upload that video earlier today showing you all step by step how to upload the 3 off 15 DG store coupons to your account, and that will be linked in the pinned comment down below. And also, don't forget that on Sunday, I did upload a video going over all of the new coupons and glitches that we have going on at DG this week. So if you need some more ideas or substitutions or prices, or if you just want to find out about the glitches, go and check out that video as well. I will leave it linked in the pinned comment down below. Now, I do have a really quick favor to ask of you all. I'm going to be uploading a poll on the community tab. It should show up under your subscriptions feed, just like always. But I'm very curious to see which store do you all want to see more videos or deals for the most. Now, if you have multiple stores that you want to vote for, please just vote for one, your very top favorite store that you want to see more deals for, and then leave me a comment down below with the other stores that you're also interested in. Now, I'm doing this because I want to start incorporating new stores into our weekly schedule, but I want to make sure that I'm bringing y'all content that you all want to see and that you're interested in. So please go over there and vote, because your feedback is very, very important. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful for you. Now, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of our crazy couponing community here. Also, please hit that thumbs up button, because y'all know it really does help me out. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what y'all are up to today, and please share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.